on some delicious cheddar, broccoli, and rice one-pan casserole. Hi fam, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. Your girl gotta talk kind of low, okay? You know why? The kids in their schooling. So today, you guys, we have a delicious one pot meal, or should I say one casserole meal. You guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make us some delicious chicken and rice with broccoli and cheddar cheese recipe right in your own oven, right fast, quick, and in a hurry. You guys, this recipe, you got to see it, you guys, because it's gonna be a zesty, tasty lemon zest flavored chicken that we're gonna use, you guys, and it is made by Tasty Zest. Okay, so yeah, McCorbett, that's who made it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna create us a delicious one casserole meal using some chicken and some balsamic rice. You guys, some balsamic rice and a little chicken broth. Yes, we're gonna use this. And so yeah, you're right in time to get this recipe to going, you guys. Now, first we're gonna go ahead and season up our chicken. Now we're going to use a little chicken tenderizer because I like to always put tenderizer on my meat. Okay, especially meat that does not take that long to cook. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put some black pepper because we don't want to overpower the chicken season, right? We don't want to overpower that. But we want to give everything a good season. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up our zest. And we're going to put that on in here on this chicken. Just like so. As soon as we get it open, just like so. We don't need a lot because we want it to stretch through our chicken as well as our rice. Because all of that, you guys, I can smell the zest on this already. Oh my goodness, look how it's seasoned up this chicken, you guys. Look how it's seasoning up this chicken. And get it all in here. Okay, in the meantime, we're going to set this aside. So now we have our pan, which is sprayed with nonstick, even though it is nonstick skillet. I mean, not skillet, but you know, casserole dish pan. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put us some rice right in here. Just like so. Just a little more rice. We don't want that much. Okay, so our next move is we're going to open up some broccoli. Now I'm using the frozen broccoli. And you know, it's already frozen, so we don't need that much broccoli. We don't want to overpower it. But we're just going to put it in there just like so. And we're going to sprinkle us some cheese. Not much. Just like so. Okay. Now I'm going to put another layer of this rice. Excuse the noise, you guys. Okay. Now we're going to put us some broth. Just like so. Not a lot of broth, just enough to wet the surface because our chicken, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's just enough to go over the rice and things that I have put in here. So now we are going to add our chicken. Okay, so a run cap. We put approximately maybe a cup and a quarter worth of rice in here. And we have our broccoli and we have our chicken stock. Just enough to cover the rice, the broccoli, and the cheddar. Now I am going to lay these thighs on top. Just like so. Because we're going to start off baking these. So we can get them right where we want them at. And that's how we're going to do that. And yes, I'm going to make sure every piece is seasoned. Okay. So there we have it. This is what we're going for, you guys. And so I am going to cover this on up. And we're going to slide it in a 400-degree oven for approximately maybe 50 minutes. Well, you know. Yes. Okay, guys. So this is what our zesty chicken, broccoli, and cheddar is looking like. And so at this point, I took the covering off, the aluminum foil, because now I'm going to sprinkle me a little more cheese, just like so. And we're just going to let this bake another 15-20 minutes. Let's put a little more cheese right in here. So we're going to let this bake uncover for approximately 15-20 more minutes. So we're going to slap this back in the oven, you guys. And if you view me for the first time, thumbs are straight up. Subscribe to the channel. I hope you can enjoy the content that I create. And I take up a notch But enjoy these recipes. You guys, check out this recipe. Oh my goodness. You guys, do you see that goldishness? That goldiness? Let me turn this light on so you guys can check this out. You guys, look at there. Oh, that is delicious. Now, you guys, this is an easy recipe. I'm sure you guys can enjoy it. And yeah, if you first viewing me for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. And I am going to send much love from my house to yours. Oh, you guys, if you can smell this smells so delicious. But let's taste it. Let's keep in mind, it's hot. Oh, you guys, let's see that rice. Oh, it's hot. Look at that rice. Oh. Oh, let's get down in there. Oh, yeah. And broccoli. So, yes, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Whole different take. So, sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.